still May 31st, if I still have the xenomorph glitch. Yep, I do. So, I'm just gonna make... Let me turn the music off. Just showing off the weird sound effects of this glitch. Because nobody else on YouTube has made videos of it, and trying to Google it doesn't come up with any answers at all. I don't know if the xenomorph can hear it either.
After evacuation, do not re-enter the station until advised to do so by the orbital emergency convener.
Oh, it disappeared. Okay. Interesting information for the glitch researchers. Game. No. Okay, so it's gone now. I don't know why. Seems like maybe the intercoms are connected to it in some way. The first time I noticed the glitch was after I accidentally killed an NPC in the marshal's office. That might have actually been Ricardo. I'm not sure. Because my mouse, if I just tap on the trackpad, it acts like I'm clicking to swing the weapon. So I accidentally did that. And then I reloaded, and then we had the glitch. And then it stopped when there was like an intercom or something, so... And then just now, that intercom went off and the glitch went away. So maybe just coincidence, maybe a pattern, I'm not sure. I guess I can just keep recording for the thing and then clip out that part to just give it its own short video. Okay. Now we're gonna do all this scary stuff again. Is there anywhere in here that I can actually properly hide? I don't think so. Oh yeah. Gotta search the body in there, so I just went backwards for no reason.
Orbital stabilizer failure. Abandoned station. Abandoned station.
Let's play some audio.
If you're listening to this, and you're on the team, we've sealed the habitation sanctuary. There's one way in, one way out. I've still got raiding parties heading out to loot supplies.
Just gonna go save.
But it looks like we shut it off just in time. The Sikhs and synthetics have started moving away from their stations. I've seen a trail of strangled bodies in public areas. So, be aware. Oh, and if you're listening to this and you're not on the team, don't come find us. We will shoot.
What are you cats doing? Hey, that's your cat. Sit on it. It's a cat trying to sit in a box and use it as a scratch box at the same time. just so we have the key card. You know what? We're good for now. Because I feel sick still and it's irritating me. So bye-bye.